Hi, welcome! It's Kat right here. So today the project we are doing is we are making a planter for our wonderful lavender plant out of an old tire. So we all get old tires. We're going to take this old tire, we're going to cut it up some pieces, drill it together, and then make a beautiful planter out of it. So the tools that I have here is obviously we have the tire. The tire here is very dirty, but we are going to be cleaning it. Right here we got the lavender plant that we're going to be planting in it. And then we got our saw. The saw that you could use a hand saw, you can use a lot of different things for that. We got our drill for drilling all the pieces. What I have here is a pizza pan that I bought, I think at Walmart for like $7. I'm going to use this on the tire so it can be a mobile tire planter. Then also we have the red paint. Then we got some paint that we're going to paint a little design on with the orange, or I guess you could call this kind of a yellow gold. And then the screws and the paint brush. Now let's go wash the tire. Okay, so I got the tire nice and clean. So we're going to take our pencil and draw our little pattern. So you could do zigzags, you could do wavy lines, you could do all sorts of things, whatever you want to on this tire. But Joshua, my husband, he's a very, very artistic man. So I'm going to take him and he's going to draw us a nice little zigzag. So we're going to take the drill a small little hole, then we can do the saw. But when you do the drilling, you want to put it on the inside of the main piece so it doesn't show it on there. So we'll take this. Aha! Okay, so next we're going to have Josh come over. We're going to pass this part on to Josh, because he is much, much better with the saw than I am, and plus he's so good with his artistic abilities that he will make that a very nice line. I could never get my line as good as him. So Josh is going to take over the saw part. Okay, now that Josh has the pattern cut out, now we have to turn this tire inside out. And man, this is probably the hardest part of this whole entire project. Let's... This thing might get the best of me. I don't know where to go. Okay.
Grab one of these and pull back while crunching down.
Oh, yes. Here we go. Right there.
Oh my gosh. Step on that thing.
Okay, man, we got this thing turned inside out, but tell you the truth, that beats going to the gym. Josh and I together got that, but man, that was an exercise. But we got it all done, now we get to paint it. Okay, now that I just re-washed the tire, we're gonna paint it with our spray bottle, our spray paint. But one thing we did notice is if we were going to do this again, we would have made the curves much wider on the outside of the pot because it makes it much easier to turn this stinker inside out. Okay, you can see we got it all painted. Josh did do quite a few coats. Now he is just taking the golden yellow and painting a very beautiful pattern. So the fun thing about doing this part is you can paint just about anything you want. Lots of different decorations. I've watched lots of stuff on YouTube, watched lots of stuff or looked at lots of pictures on Pinterest and go wild. No. I don't see any smeared yellow. No, looks good. What are we doing about up here? Spraying with the...
Wow.
Okay, so that piece goes on the bottom, then we're gonna move the pot on top of that. Screw these together. Okay, so we got the bottom piece screwed to the top piece. Then we take the pizza pan, put it on the inside, and then we'll screw it to that, and we all layered up. Okay, so we are all done with our pot. We're moving it into this spot on top of this hill so you can see it from when you come outside the front door, or excuse me, outside the back door. But we have our lavender plant. I bought this one huge bag of the potting soil, but after that I realized it wasn't quite enough, so I went and bought a couple other small bags. I wasn't sure how much we were gonna need, but let's just pot our lavender plant. Okay, so I did get some creeping Jenny, and I'm going to plant it around the outside so when it grows it can kind of flow over. I am all done planting that. Some of these creeping jennies, they're still alive, but they don't look very good because I actually bought them last fall. And yeah, I didn't get them planted. But I think we can keep them alive if we just keep them watered. Hopefully this will give you some fun ideas, some projects to do while you're in quarantine time, because this project, the tire's free, you just have to pay for the paint, and that spray bottle spray paint is what, like $4? The plant was, I think, $3. So anyway, remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.